So I just got back from supermarket after getting the ingredients for my chicken with kale and yogurt dish I'm going to knock up tomorrow night. But I noticed this, I've got some garlic. And the strange thing is, there's packs of 3 and I'm like, I don't need 3, I just grab a pack of 1. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me see that on there. It says made in China or grown in China. I like to think in a field and not in a factory. Let's see what it tastes like. So the chicken with kale and yogurt was successful. It's a lovely dish. Just have a look here. Oh, look at that. And with the suspicious Chinese grown garlic, hopefully in a field and not in a factory, was right notes. Didn't you could get a little bit of garlic taste in it. So yeah, pleased with that.